Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we have question number 8 of exercise 1.2, where question number 8 is if Z1 is equal to minus a minus 3b iota, Z2 is equal to 2a minus 3b iota, then verify that Z1 divided by Z2 whole conjugate is equal to Z1 conjugate divided by Z2 conjugate. Now, first we will take left hand side Z1 by Z2 whole conjugate, where Z1 by Z2 is equal to, putting value of Z1 minus a minus 3b iota, putting value of Z2 2a minus 3b iota. Now to find value of Z1 by Z2, we will multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of 2a minus 3b iota, which is equals to 2a plus 3b iota. So, for numerator, first we will multiply minus a with 2a plus 3b iota, then we will multiply minus 3b iota with 2a plus 3b iota. So we have minus 2a square minus 3b iota minus 6ab iota minus 9b square iota square. And for denominator, we have formula a minus b into a plus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. That is 2a whole square minus 3b iota whole square. So here minus 2a square minus 3ab iota minus 6ab iota equal to minus 9ab iota, and here iota square equals to minus 1, so minus minus plus 9b square. For denominator, we have 4a square minus 9b square iota square. Again iota square minus 1, so it will becomes 9b square. Now we will write real with real. We have minus 2a square plus 9b square. Then write down imaginary part, and in the denominator we have 4a square plus 9b square. Dividing 4a square plus 9b square with real part minus 2a square plus 9b square, and then with imaginary part minus 9ab iota. So left hand side is equals to minus 2a square plus 9b square divided by 4a square plus 9b square minus 9ab divided by 4a square plus 9b square iota whole conjugate. Means we will put the value of Z1 by Z2 on left hand side. When we will take conjugate, the sign of imaginary part will be changed. So we have minus 2a square plus 9b square divided by 4a square plus 9b square plus 9ab divided by 4a square plus 9b square iota. Now right hand side is equal to Z1 conjugate divided by Z2 conjugate. Putting value of Z1, we have minus a minus 3b iota whole conjugate, whole divided by Z2 conjugate 2a minus 3b iota conjugate. Now we will take conjugate of numerator and denominator, getting minus a plus 3b iota divided by 2a plus 3b iota. Now we will multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of 2a plus 3b iota, which is equal to 2a minus 3b iota. So we will multiply and dividing by 2a minus 3b iota. First multiply minus a with 2a minus 3b iota. We have minus 2a square plus 3ab iota. Then multiplying 3b iota with 2a minus 3b iota, we have 6ab iota minus 9b square iota square. For denominator, we have a plus b, a minus b formula, which is equals to 2a square minus 3b iota square. Here minus 2a square, 3ab iota plus 6ab iota becomes 9ab iota, and here iota square equal to minus 1 minus minus plus. So we have 9b square. For denominator 2a square, 4a square minus 9b square iota square, where iota square is minus 1. So it will becomes plus 9b square. Now dividing separately with the real and imaginary part, we have minus 2a square plus 9b square divided by 4a square plus 9b square plus 9ab iota divided by 4a square plus 9b square. Now from equation first and second, left hand side equal to right hand side, that is, it is proved that z1 divided by z2 whole conjugate is equal to z1 conjugate divided by z2 conjugate. Thank you, students.